Guys, Dave from Crystal Clear Water. All right, so got to a call here in Punta Gorda and got behind me a sulfur filter / iron filter. And lack of maintenance, lack of doing what you need to do to a sulfur filter will basically result in having this sulfur bacteria and having all this nasty stuff inside of your unit here. Now, this is why we have chemical injection tanks, we have ozone generators. This is why routine cleanings are important. Certain maintenances are required. You can't just put a brand new system in and then forget about it. It's very important to put salt, citric acid in the salt tank, cleaning these once a year. I honestly, once a year, I don't think is enough, maybe every 6 months. But like I said, what we do is we have the chemical injection tank that injects chemicals in every single time it regenerates. So that'll keep it nice and clean, because the last thing you want to do is spend money on your media inside this tank and replace your media prematurely. So maintenance is important. Have us come out once every 2 months, you maintain it once every 2 months, but just adding salt to the salt tank is not doing your system any justice. So you got to make sure, routine maintenance, chemical cleans, everything you got to do on a maintenance you have to do. It's like doing a car maintenance. When you do your oil change, you don't just put oils in it. You don't just change the filter. You do the tires, you do the tranny fluid. So it's very important to maintain. We charge $55 every 2 months to maintain your system. $65 if you have the chemical injection tank every 2 months. But having us come out once every 2 months is definitely better than not having us out in a year and a half, 2 years, and then finding this. So sanitizing your well, sanitizing your house lines, very important. It's like washing your hands. You want to make sure you sanitize your well and your house once a year. It's common practice, it's sanitary. So make sure you do yearly sanitations. We got some memberships for yearly sanitations, the house and the well. That'll take care of before and after the system all the time. So guys, give us a call, have us come do your maintenance. But if you take anything from this video whatsoever, make sure you are adding citric acid on top of your salt when you do your maintenance, as well as adding Nutrisol or chlorine to your sulfur filter, depending on your type of system. Some systems you can't add chlorine to the salt tank. Some systems you can't add chlorine to the sulfur filter. If it's got KDF 85 in it, it'll make it turn green. Or if you have white resin inside the softener, it'll make it smell like dead fish. So make sure you know what's inside your system and don't just go put chemicals inside of it because you're trying to make the water not smell or trying to clean it, because you can do more damage than anything. You also need special injection tanks to do your sanitations. So with all the right equipment, makes things easy. But if you don't have the right equipment, give us a call, 239-800-PUMP, 239-800-PUMP. Thanks, guys. Stay tuned. Have a good one.